Venus, the planet that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi thriller. Imagine a world where temperatures reach a mind-melting 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Clouds rain sulfuric acid, and the pressure on the surface could crush a submarine. But wait, it gets even weirder. Venus rotates backward. That's right. The sun rises in the west and sets in the east. So why is Venus so bizarre? Stick around because you'll never guess what makes this planet Earth's evil twin. First off, let's dive into Venus's triple threat: heat, pressure, and acid rain. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and composition. But any resemblance stops there because Venus is basically an intergalactic sauna. Its dense, carbon dioxide-filled atmosphere traps heat in a phenomenon called the runaway greenhouse effect. This makes it the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. Scientists have used advanced radar to see through Venus's thick, yellowish clouds, revealing a scorched landscape filled with volcanoes and vast lava plains. Imagine standing on the surface. You'd be instantaneously incinerated, crushed by 90 times the pressure of Earth's atmosphere, and drenched in literal acid. Not exactly a vacation hotspot. Now, about those backward rotations. Venus has a super slow rotational speed. One day on Venus is longer than its year. Yes, you heard that right. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. Even more shocking, it rotates in the opposite direction of most planets in our solar system. Scientists suggest this could be due to a catastrophic collision billions of years ago that set it spinning the wrong way, a cosmic wipeout, if you will. And let's talk about Venus's volcanic past, and possibly its volcanic present. Venus is a volcanic wonderland with over 1,600 lava-spewing structures, including the massive volcano Mont Mons, which rises nearly 5 miles high. While Earth's volcanoes slowly vent heat from the planet's interior, Venus's volcanoes might be erupting even now. In fact, recent missions, like NASA's Parker Solar Probe, have provided data hinting at ongoing volcanic activity. Some researchers even speculate that Venusian volcanoes could be key in unraveling whether microbial life ever existed, or could exist in Venus's atmospheric upper layers, where temperatures and pressures are relatively mild. But here's where Venus throws another curveball at scientists: its atmospheric superrotation. The planet's upper winds blow at hurricane-like speeds of 224 miles per hour, circling the planet every 4 Earth days. Imagine relentless global-scale windstorms whipping across the entire planet. Why does this happen? Scientists are still stumped, but suggest it might have something to do with Venus's thick, carbon dioxide atmosphere interacting with its slow rotation. Perhaps the most stunning fact about Venus is its past. It might have been habitable billions of years ago. Yes, the very planet we now consider hellish may once have been paradise. Researchers studying Venus's ancient climate suggest that the planet could have maintained liquid water oceans for up to 2 billion years before entering its extreme greenhouse state. What pushed Venus over the edge? One leading theory is that volcanic eruptions released so much carbon dioxide that it tipped Venus into the runaway greenhouse effect we see today. Could this be Earth's future if we're not careful? Let's not forget the jaw-dropping missions planned to explore this fiery enigma further. NASA and ESA, the European Space Agency, are gearing up for new missions like Veritas, Vintagee Plus, and Envision in the next decade. Their goals? To paint a clearer picture of Venus's surface, probe its volcanic activity, and even measure whether its atmosphere hints at the presence of life. Venus might not just be a science fiction nightmare. It could hold keys to understanding planetary change and climate change. All right, here's the ultimate cosmic mind bender to wrap things up. Venus might seem like its sole purpose is to roast anything and everything that comes close, but some scientists speculate the answer to humanity's survival yes, survival, could come from studying this fiery world. Its harsh environment offers clues about how planets lose their habitability, helping us read warning signs here on Earth. And that's why Venus, despite all its horrifying features, is one of the most studied planets in the quest to answer life's biggest questions. Curious for more? Check out more of my long-form videos now on my channel Science Spark. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today.